everyone. In this video I would like to give you a shortcut for finding of adjoint of a matrix. So suppose A is any matrix which is in the form of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So generally the adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor matrix. So for that we need to find all minus determinants. So don't bother all those things. So that is regular process. Here I would like to give you a shortcut way how to find this. Okay. So first you form a matrix. Okay. So first you form a matrix as. So generally to find the determinant we start from the determinant of this element is from here, right? From here, AD minus BC. So here also would like to start from here, E. So start from E, the second row, okay, you can take as column wise. E, the second row, you take as column wise. E, F, starting with E, starting with E, okay. Starting with E and go by column wise. E, F, D, again repeat E. Similarly go by third row starting with H. Similarly go by third row starting with H, I, G, H. So go by first row B, C, A, B. Again repeat second row, okay. Now that will be E, F, D, E, okay. E, F, D, E, okay. Now adjoint of A is okay. So you take a 2 by 2 determinants of this, like this 2 by 2 EI minus HF, EI minus HF, okay. EI minus HF, okay. So similarly FG minus DI, similarly here there is FG minus DI. Similarly here DH minus EG, minus EG. Likewise for all. Okay. That gives directly adjoint of it. Okay. I'll show you this by an example. So let us take an example A. Okay. A as we have 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So we need to form a matrix. Starting with the second row with middle element. Okay, 1, 1, 0, 1. In third row with middle element 1, 2, 2, 1. In first row with middle element minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1. Again repeating this column means second row 1, 1, 0. Now taking AD minus BC for each corresponding. So therefore adjoint of A is, so this is 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So I take first column wise. 1 into 2, 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 into 1, 0, minus 2. 1 into 0, minus of minus 2, plus 2. I take column wise. I go by column wise. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Coming to third column, okay. minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0 1. So this is the way we can find easily the adjoint of any matrix, so without bothering of minor, cofactor, and all. Okay, useful in gate. Okay. So here there is one more process to find this. There is one more process to find this. I would like to tell you that also. Okay. So A has we have 1 minus 1 0 0 1 1 2 1 2 2 1 2, that is given matrix. See here what you have to do that, repeat first row and second row, repeats first row and second row, and repeat first column. This is another method. Repeat first column and again repeat second column. Minus 1 1 1 minus 1. Okay. So this is finally what we get. Okay. So here I repeat first row and second row. Here I repeat first column and second column with new elements also. So after that what you have to do that. Okay. So okay. So cancel out this. Now here you take AD minus BC for each case. AD minus BC. But in this method, see, adjoint of A of this. So you take column wise 1 into 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into 0 into 1 into 0 minus of minus plus. Take row wise. Go by column wise and take it as row wise. You go by column wise and placed by row wise. Okay, placed by row wise. Minus. This is 2. And this is also 2. You go by column wise and replace in row wise. Minus. You take column wise, replace by row wise. Minus 2 minus 1 minus. This is 1. Now you can see both are same or not. This is 1 2 minus 1, 2 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 3 1. Okay. So this is another method, second method. This is the second method to find, okay, adjoint of it. There are two methods. Whatever you like, you follow. Okay. I'll show you this for another example. Like A they given as 1 2 3, 2 minus 1 4, 3 1 minus 3 minus 1, 3 1 minus 1. So I would like to go by method 1. I'll give you both methods. You can follow whatever you like. So method 1. So I have to form a matrix starting with second row, middle element minus 1 4 2 minus 1. In third row 1 minus 1 3 1. First row 2 3 1 2. Again repeat second row minus 1 4 2 minus 1. Therefore adjoint of A, we have, take AD minus BC of each one, minus 1 into minus 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Here you go by same wise, okay. 2 1s are 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1 minus 9 minus 10. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 1, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 8 plus 3, 11, 6 minus 4, 2, minus 1 minus 4, minus 5. So this is my adjoint. This is my adjoint. Okay. Now go by second method. I would like to go by second method, method 2. Method 2. Okay. So A, I have the given matrix. I have A 1 2 3, 2 minus 1 4, 3 1 minus 1. Okay. So here I would like to repeat first row and second row. Here I would like to repeat first row and second row. And again I would like to repeat first column and second column. I need to delete first row and first column. Okay. Now here go by column wise and replace by row wise. Adjoint of A. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Go by column wise, replace by 3 wise. Row wise. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. 8 plus 3, 11. 11. Okay. So you go by column wise and replace by row wise. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Minus 1, minus 9. Minus 10. 3 2s are 6, minus 4, minus 2. Sorry, plus 2, right? 6 minus 4, plus 2. Sorry. Next, 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. Right? 6 minus 1, 5. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 4. Five minus. Yes, both are same. Both are same. You can observe that both are same. So these are the two ways we can find in short way. So don't ask how it comes. Okay, this is the short way procedures to find adjoint of it. Thank you all for listening this. Thank you.